Integrated Garage Patio Pest Kit products let homeowners combine rodent snap traps, fly sticky strips, mosquito citronella, and perimeter granular repellents into a single DIY strategy for outdoor living areas. Start by mapping the space and identifying activity zones so you place each component for maximum effect. For rodents, use 2 snap traps per entry point placed along walls with bait set behind the trigger using a small dab of peanut butter, and replace traps after each catch or if soiled. Hang fly sticky strips at face height near eating areas but at least 8 feet away from flames or lighting to avoid heat exposure, and rotate strips every 7 to 10 days or when 90% covered to maintain catch efficiency. For mosquitoes, deploy citronella candles in clusters of 3 to 4 around seating areas and supplement with perimeter granular repellents applied along foundation edges and under vegetation following the product label for safe distances. From plants and doorways, maintain sanitation by removing pet food, sealing trash in lidded containers, and clearing debris that provides harborage for rodents and insects. Good sanitation lowers pressure so the kit works with less chemical load. Check and service every 7 to 14 days depending on activity. Keep a simple log of catches and treatments, and adjust placement based on where you see fresh sign or captures. Homeowners commonly underbait traps by using large globs of food, which rodents can steal without triggering, so use a pea-sized amount positioned behind the trigger. Also avoid handling traps with bare hands because human scent can deter rodents, so use gloves or a tool. People often hang sticky strips too close to doorways or walk paths, which causes accidental contact and loss of adhesive effectiveness, so position them where insects fly but people do not, and replace before they are overwhelmed. Another frequent issue is applying granular repellents too close to edible plants or at higher than labeled rates, which harms foliage and waste product, so measure carefully, follow labeled distances from plantings, and reapply only at the interval the label specifies. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to outdoor pest control and integrated kit installations. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share experiences, ask product questions, and trade placement tips for garage and patio pest control.